Ok, nó saya kutu boy azilia tang cái trâu nữa chỉ bạn cho sao tang cái chi bạn cái trâu nữa sẽ được làm tận. Hello. Yeah, five or one. Thank you.
Grace Lowry. Savior Lord. Claire Mallett. Emma Mitchell. Aubrey Miller. Giovanni Rocco. Levi Service.
This year, the Student Council planned many fun activities that spread kindness and joy through the hallways and into our home and community. Some of their favorite activities this year included guess how many pumpkins are in the window, a food drive, the concession stand at bingo, books and buddies, you've been egged, and bubbles and buddies. I am extremely proud of this crew for their leadership and dedication to being positive role models here at Prairie View. Student Council members, when I call your name, please come and receive your award. Emma Brettel.
Mrs. Wink, and I've been many of your children's art teacher from the time they were little kindergartners, and I'm so very proud of all of them. They're a wonderful, wonderful group. I've spent a lot of time with many of these kids, so I'm going to miss them a lot. Before I do the Artwork of the Year honor, I'd like to give out another award for a few students that have been extra creative over the years and always up to something in my room at recess. Put many, many hours in above and beyond. So Claire Stephenauer, Grace Lowery, and Clara Bertine. Clara's been about 4 months on probably the biggest project I've ever seen leave my room. It was about this big. It was a model of a house. It was incredible, and yeah, it was about 4 months, I'd say. So it was amazing. So congratulations to Dr. All right, and then for the Artwork of the Year award, the way this works is at the end of 5th grade, all of my students select what they felt was their strongest favorite piece from the year. We put up a display, and all the staff members of the school all place their vote for their favorite 5 pieces. The winner will be framed professionally by the frame shop in town, and it will be proudly displayed until the student graduates from high school when they get it back. So, pretty neat honor to be on display all these years. So, with so many votes and so much talent and so many hard workers, I couldn't just give out a first place, so I did several honorable mentions, and then first, second, and third. So, Livia Cornetta, come on up. Honorable mentions. Yep. Okay. You'll see their art when they go down onto stage. Simon Tao. Samantha Rayo. Peyton Wenzel. Bear Randall. Annie Oliver. And Claire Mel. That is a lot of hard work, lots of hours beyond regular art class. So congratulations to the honorable mentions. They'll get their own picture. And then, oh, I am so sorry, I missed Eliza Bucher. Oh my goodness, sorry. Okay. All right, well, I'll start with third place. So for third place, it went to Kennedy Colgan. Second place was a tie between 2 amazing paintings. Emma Brettel, come on up. And Levi Service. And then first place. So it goes to a student From the time she was way little in kindergarten, you could always tell she was going to be a rock star artist. So creative, so hardworking, always thinking out of the box. Congratulations to Camilla. Camilla Liddell. Thank you.
Good afternoon, fifth graders. I sure hope you know how much you're loved by your adults at home, by your adults at Prairie View. I sure hope you realize that. And that love might look differently the next few years as you go into middle school. You're not always going to get what you want from these folks or the folks at the middle school, but you're going to get what you need, okay? So keep that in mind. We're here to celebrate you today. All these people are here to celebrate you. All right, and all the memories you made, that's something pretty special. Fifth graders, those are your memories. Are they all perfect memories? No, that has not been perfect all the time. But you know what's really special is that those are your memories. The fifth grade class of 2025 at Prairie View, that's always going to be part of who you are. And we will always remember you for that. So congratulations for being the fifth grade class of 2025 at Prairie View. Couple thank yous I'd like to do. First of all, thank you to all the adults at home, whether they're here or not. You truly embody what it means to work together, to be a partner as your children are growing up. Thank you. You embody what it means to, as far as it takes a village, and that looks differently in every house, but we are so thankful for that partnership. Fifth graders, could you give the adults a round of applause? Thank you so much. To the adults at school,
My pleasure to hand out certificates to the 7th and 5th grade class. Fair. Landon Anderson. Grace Benson. Chase Brennan. Reed Chamberlain. Claire Riley. Simon Howe. Eliana Thompson. Lucas Troutly. Michelle Bain. Vivian Bain. Peyton Wenzel. And King Kuzma. Oliver Mark. Graham Bartle. Callie Hill.
We have learned so much this year and will just keep learning more in middle school. One thing that will help us not forget this year is the great teaching. Miss Crichton, Miss Ike, Miss Abbott, and Miss Leffler. I just want to take a moment to thank our amazing teachers for an amazing, unforgettable year. You guys make learning so fun and are so nice to every single student. So thank you guys for an extraordinary year. We will always remember this. Also, thank you parents for supporting your students and some of you taking your student here every day. As we enter middle school, we know that you will continue to show up for us, so thank you again. After the video, please meet your fifth grader by the basketball hoops out back. Thank you.